Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Liz, and today we are going to make the perfect meal, breakfast, dinner, lunch, whatever you want it. Perfect for the New Year's to kick off your New Year resolutions into high gear. I know each and every single one of us wants to hit the ground running and diet. So I got the perfect food for you. It's a cinnamon roll French toast casserole. It won't disappoint your belly, I promise. It's not diet food. I was totally joking. I hope you guys get my humor by now. Before we get started into the recipe, I just wanted to say thank you so much for supporting my channel, for subscribing, for leaving comments and likes, sharing my stuff. Your support means the world to me, so thank you, thank you, thank you. Also, I wanted to wish each and every single one of you a happy new year. Hopefully 2020 will be a wonderful year. So again, thank you for your support and for all the love that you have shown to this little channel here. 2020, we'll see what we have coming. I don't know. Okay, let's get started to the recipe. Well, that didn't make sense. Let's get on with the recipe. Yeah, that makes sense. We're gonna make this recipe easy because we are going to be using store-bought canned cinnamon rolls. If you guys wanna go and make your own cinnamon rolls, go ahead and do that. I'll have a recipe linked here so you guys can check it out if you wanna make your own cinnamon rolls. But we're going to kick it off in high gear with this recipe because listen, custard, cinnamon rolls, desserts of this sort seem to do well. You guys seem to like them. So first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then add your butter and your sugar to a saucepan. I'm using this extra large saucepan because my small saucepan was dirty. So use a smaller one if you want, or the big one. It don't matter. Just use a saucepan. And then melt your butter and your sugar together. Once everything is melted, take it off the stove. I want you to add the butter and the sugar to a large bowl. Make sure it is a large bowl because we're gonna add all this goodness to it, and just want everything to work together and fit into this large bowl. Also, I forgot to mention, make sure you grease your 9x13 inch casserole dish. Whatever you're using, you could use something fancier than me, so you could take it to your friend's house or your family's house or whatever you guys are doing for New Year's. Do something, please, thanks. Maybe I'll go to sleep, because that's kind of what I do. I'm gonna go to sleep on New Year's. Then add in your eggs, your cream, your cinnamon, your vanilla, and your nutmeg all to this bowl. Beat it really fast, scrape the sides, make sure everything is nicely combined and cohesive. Once it looks nice and lovely and combined, I want you to start opening your cinnamon rolls from the store. I bought mine from Sprouts in case you guys are wondering, and I wanted to go a more healthier version. And believe it or not, before healthy scares anyone far away, come back. Listen, they were actually pretty good. Annie's is a pretty legit brand. I've never had any problems with it. So just open your cinnamon open your cinnamon rolls and slice them into fours. Once you cut them into fours, add them to your mixture with the cream and the butter and the sugar and all that good stuff. Give everything a really good toss. Then I want you to throw this, well, don't literally throw it, that would be so bad. Gently pop it into your casserole dish. Make sure it's nicely, dispersed evenly throughout your 9x13 inch casserole dish. Once that is done, add in your pecans. I know not everybody likes pecans, so if you don't like them, don't put them. If you like them, like me, add them. Pop this casserole into your oven, bake it for around 35 minutes. Halfway through, I want you to turn it around so it cooks evenly. After 35 to 40 minutes, pull it out of your oven and let it cool just a little bit, not too much, probably like 5 minutes or so. Then evenly disperse the icing that came with the cinnamon rolls. It should come in the cans. I hope it does. Mine did. So I just disperse this evenly on top of my casserole. You can use as much or as little as you want. And then you are ready to dig in. Serve this family style. Perfect for breakfast on New Year's Day, since New Year's Day is right around the corner. Again, I want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart for being subscribed to my channel. If you're not, please subscribe. I'd greatly appreciate it. If not, thanks anyways. Give this video a comment and a like. Thanks for watching. Thanks for all your support, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.